Hi everyone, I'm Mark. Joining me today we have Matt Baldessano from Rosenberger. And we're here at the Rosenberger booth to talk about the high density fiber cabling solutions they have showcasing at the moment. Welcome, Matt.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having us.
Rosenberger works closely with end users. What are you hearing right now about the scaling with AI and high density data centers?
Yeah. Well, it's all about scaling. So whether we talk about scale up, which means we're packing more capacity in a single position, or scaling out, and we are densifying the amount of compute and GPUs plugged into a single system, or scaling across, and we're essentially connecting GPU systems together. Those factors are all very relevant today in the way that people build data centers. And you do that generally with our high fiber count cabling, which allows you to increase your capacity between those different locations and allows you to really build large systems with some exceptional computational capacity.
You're mentioning high density cabling, and how, because of the new evolution of fiber right now, hollow core, it's a big topic, right? So how is that impacting the scale out and scale across?
Yeah. So we're in a brave new world here as we talk about hollow core. The applications aren't limited to, say, just an outdoor application or an indoor application, and the types of hollow core fiber that are available to provide those applications are quite different. So when we talk about scale out and scale across to increase the capacity of the cable, hollow core fiber is one of those technologies that allows you to do just that. You can go longer and faster, right, and put more capacity in a single connector, increasing the density, increasing the miniaturization of how much network capacity you can bring from point A to point B. And hollow core fiber is a technology which has proven to do both in outdoor and emerging applications inside the building.
I was reading about hollow core, and I can't remember if this is very accurate, but I remember reading that hollow core fiber is 30% faster than just
in single mode fiber.
Single mode fiber, right? Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. And some versions of hollow core fiber have exceptional capabilities, right? So some of those bullet points today are just points in time, and hollow core fiber has a long way to go. In its maturity and its commercialization and the applications that it's going to serve. Okay,
and obviously you're showcasing hollow core fiber at your booth, right?
Yeah.
So has this already been deployed to several end users, or is it still in the testing stages?
Yeah, absolutely. There's some well-known use cases of hollow core fiber, which are publicly out there, and those use cases are proving in the fact that you can go faster at longer distances and maintain the same capacity, unlike alternative solutions with single mode fiber.
Okay. Yeah. Right now with the whole AI boom, manufacturing or supply chain has been an issue.
Yeah.
So obviously getting the right partners that can support at a level of capacity, that would be one of the most optimal things, right?
It's critical for this part of the ecosystem, and in reality it's critical for the entire ecosystem to continue to thrive, because not just fiber, not just other components, it's everything all at the same time.
Yeah. So Matt, EasyWay.
Yep.
The EasyWay connector, it's all about easy handling. So how does that work for you and the end users? Is it more, do you see more the benefit more in reliability, ease of access? Because it's in tight spaces, so you need quick ease of access, right? Or reworking, where do you see that fit in for the EasyWay?
Sure. We started this off by talking about density, right? And how much capacity, how many connectors, how much fiber we can put in either a cable, a connector, or a connectivity panel, a patch panel. And when you talk about EasyWay and its feature set, you can rely on the confidence of plugging and unplugging. You can use EasyWay to reduce your mean time to repair because of the features that it has. And in reality, EasyWay just fits all of the tight spaces in which we are finding need to get smaller and smaller, and we need to get more fiber in. So for those reasons, it's a great connector choice as you're building higher capacity, higher power systems.
Looking ahead in new trends, what are you looking for in fiber connectivity? New form factors, higher fiber count, modularity, and how does this Senko partnership with Rosenberger fit into that?
Sure thing. So one of our perspectives in the market is we're following the densification of computing power and specific to GPUs. And the reason we're following that is because, as we've seen over the course of the last few months, we've gotten to a multiplication 5, 10, 20x the amount of fiber and capacity that we need from a computing system, right? And that actually flows straight up into the networking systems as well. So the denser that we get in computers, the denser connectivity and capacity and connectors, including Senko, we're going to need to support this physical layer of AI.
Oh, that's really good.
Awesome.
No, Matt, I appreciate the time. Thank you very much, and thank you for having us at your booth. To all of our viewers, thank you for watching.
Thanks for coming.